For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The Charité hospital in Berlin treating the seriously ill Russian opposition leader Alexei Navalny has said that the leader has been probably poisoned. The hospital has said that there is clinical evidence to prove intoxication through substance. Clinical evidence suggests an intoxication through a substance belonging to the group of cholinesterase inhibitors. However, the hospital added that the exact substance is not known. The exact substance is not yet known. Widespread analysis has begun. The effect of the poison, that is the inhibition of cholinesterase in the organism, has been proven several times and is in independent laboratories. Russian doctors in Omsk who had earlier treated Navalny had said that there was no substance present. Alexei Navalny had fallen ill on an internal flight in Russia on 20th August. Navalny was seen struggling and breathing in agony on the flight from Tomsk in Siberia to Moscow. Supporters of Navalny had suspected that poison was placed in a cup of tea he drank at the airport in Tomsk. Navalny's flight made an emergency landing in Omsk where he received the primary treatment. At first, the doctors at Omsk said that Navalny was too ill to be moved. He was later taken to Germany for further treatment after receiving medical clearance. The doctors in Berlin had said that the clinical outcome from suspected poisoning has remained unclear. However, the doctors also warned of possible effects on the nervous system. Navalny is now in intensive care and is being given an antidote called atropine, the same drug used to treat ex-KGB agent Sergei Skripal. Navalny's suspected poisoning has drawn flack on Kremlin, with leaders like Angela Merkel demanding an answer. Germany's Chancellor Angela Merkel has demanded that those behind the poisoning of Navalny have to be held accountable.
Those responsible must be identified and held accountable in light of the prominent role played by Mr. Navalny in the political opposition in Russia. The authorities there are now urgently called upon to investigate this crime to the last detail and do so in full transparency.
Although the substance is still unknown, the doctors have said that there was an inhibition of cholinesterase. Cholinesterase inhibitors are chemicals that prevent the breakdown of the neurotransmitter acetylcholine. Cholinesterase inhibitors block a crucial enzyme which regulates messages from nerves to muscles. All muscles are affected, with the most crucial being those which affect breathing. As breathing is inhibited, individuals may become unconscious. Navalny's supporters are blaming the Russian government of trying to silence Vladimir Putin's staunch critic. Supporters of Navalny took to the streets to protest and demand justice.
Furgal.